Hi dear students, I hope you all are fine at your home as usual. Again I am here with you to teach the rest of the chapter. Do you remember what did we studied in our previous class? Tell me, what did we studied in our previous class? Yes, we studied about the 5 regions of Himalaya, the life in the regions of Himalaya. The last class, in the previous class, we discussed 5 regions of Himalaya. Tell me, which are the 5 regions? Yes, Jammu and Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Sikkim, Uttarakhand and Arunachal Pradesh. Jammu and Kashmir, Sikkim, Uttarakhand, Himachal Pradesh and Arunachal Pradesh. These are the 5 regions of Himalaya. Okay. In the previous class, I stopped until the Arunachal Pradesh. In previous class, we stopped until Arunachal Pradesh. Tell me any one feature of Arunachal Pradesh. Any one feature of Arunachal Pradesh? Yes, it is the largest northeastern state. It is the largest northeastern state. The highest cultivations are orchids, bamboos and oranges. Orchids, bamboos and oranges. Today we are studying about the other important northern eastern state. Other important northern eastern state. The Arunachal Pradesh is the highest or largest state, northern eastern state. In some other regions like Meghalaya, Nagaland, Mizoram, Tripura, these are the other important northeastern states. I have a chart for you. I am going to show a chart for you. All of you look at the chart. The first northern eastern region, that is Nagaland. That is Nagaland. Nagaland is one of the important northeastern region. Agriculture is the main occupation of the region. Agriculture is the main occupation of this region. The most of the peoples are highly cultivated rice, maize, millets and oranges. The peoples are highly cultivated rice, maize, millets and oranges. In this region, in Nagas, we wear a different design of shawls. A different design of shawls. Each Naga tribes has its own design, its own unique design of shawl. The agriculture is the main occupation of the people in Nagaland. Most of the people is highly cultivated rice, maize, millets and oranges. And they have a unique design of dressing style. They have a unique design of dressing style. The first region, the northeastern region, that is Nagaland. The previous class we discussed the largest northeastern state, that is Arunachal Pradesh. Other important small regions like Nagaland, Mizoram, Manipur, Tripura and Meghalaya. The first region, Nagaland, its agriculture is the main occupation, and in this region the tribes has its own unique design. The next region, that is Manipur. The next region, that is Manipur. Farming and weaving are the important occupation of this region. Farming and weaving are the main important occupation of the region. Manipuri dance is famous in the country. Manipuri dance is famous for our India, very popular in our country. And people make some beautiful articles from leather, cane and bamboo. Beautiful articles made by leather and cane and bamboos. Farming is the main occupation of the people in Manipur, and most of the peoples are highly engaged in some other works. They make artificial beautiful articles like from bamboos and cane and leather. The next region, that is Mizoram. The Mizoram is also known as land of hills. Mizoram is also known as land of hills. Agriculture is the main occupation of the people in Mizoram. Agriculture is the main occupation of the people in Mizoram, and they already cultivate, highly cultivated some crops like banana, then roses, ginger, turmeric, then like apples. Mizoram's people's highly cultivated crops, banana, turmeric, ginger and roses. They're used in some languages like English and Mizo. Most of the peoples highly used two languages in Mizoram. The first language, that is Mizo. The second language is English. In Mizoram, most of the peoples highly used two languages, Mizo and English. The Mizoram is also known as land of hills. Agriculture is the main occupation in the region. Most of the peoples highly cultivated banana, cherries, then oranges, then turmeric, ginger, etc. Then two languages are used in this region, Mizo and English. Mizo and English. Next region, that is Tripura. It is the fourth important northeastern region, Tripura. Agriculture is the main occupation here. There are so many crops are cultivated in this region. Rice, jute, bamboo are the important crops cultivated in Tripura, and people speak two languages, Bangla and Kokborok. Bangla and Kokborok are the two important languages used in this region. Two important languages are Bangla and Kokborok. The highly cultivated some crops like rice, jute and bamboo, and the people used two languages like Bangla and Kokborok. The last important region, that is Meghalaya. The Meghalaya get heaviest rainfall in the country. Heaviest rainfall get Meghalaya. There are so many features of Meghalaya. It is also known as abode of clouds. Meghalaya is also known as abode of clouds. There are three important tribal groups lived in Meghalaya. The names are Garo, Khasi, Jaintia. Three important tribal groups lives in Meghalaya. Meghalaya get heaviest rainfall in the country. It is also known as abode of clouds. Three important tribal groups, names are Garo, Khasi and Jaintia. Three important tribal groups live in this region, and agriculture is the main occupation, and people highly cultivated rice, jute, potatoes, sugarcane, pineapple and oranges. Rice, jute, potatoes, sugarcane, pineapple and oranges. These are the 5 regions of northeastern part of India. Nagaland is the one of the important northeastern region. Agriculture is the main occupation in this region, and Nagas wear a different design of shawls. Its unique design of shawl. And next region, the Manipur. Farming and weaving are the important occupation in this region, and Manipuri dance is very popular in the country. Next region, that is Mizoram. It is also known as land of hills. Agriculture is the main occupation in the people, and most of the people highly cultivated some crops like banana, ginger, turmeric, roses, etc. Then the languages are Mizo and English are the two important language used by the peoples in Mizoram. Then Tripura, most of the peoples highly cultivated rice, jute, bamboo. Two important languages are Bangla and Kokborok. Then third, last northeastern region, that is Meghalaya. It is get heaviest rainfall in the country. It is also known as abode of clouds. There are three tribal groups lives in this region: Garo, Ghasi and Jaintia. And agriculture is the main occupation: rice, jute, potatoes, sugarcane, pineapple and oranges. Okay. All of you write the important points in the each regions: Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram and Meghalaya. Okay. Okay. Here we successfully completed our first chapter. Did you understand the chapter well? Did you understand the chapter well? We studied about the great Himalaya and its importance. Himalaya is extends from north to northeastern part of India. That is Jammu and Kashmir to Arunachal Pradesh. Yes, and there are so many features, there are so many importance, 5 importance we studied in previous classes. Then 3 parallel ranges of Himalaya: Greater Himalaya, Middle Himalaya and Outer Himalaya. In the previous class we discussed each of these parallel ranges and its importance. Do you remember? Yes, in the last class we discussed the regions, the life in the regions of Himalaya. 5 regions in the last class mentioned it: Jammu and Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Sikkim, Uttarakhand and Arunachal Pradesh. Today we discuss about 5 regions in northeastern part of India like Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram, Tripura and Meghalaya. I think all of you enjoyed our first chapter. All of you enjoyed? Okay. Now we are going to study, we are going to engage in the worksheet. Okay? All of you ready? Yes. There are so many activities are included in this worksheet. Okay, the first, that is fill in the blanks. All of you take your notebook and write the questions in the worksheet. The first activity, that is fill in the blanks. The first question: the Himalaya the Karakoram mountains and Purvachal hills are together called the dash. The first question, that is the Himalaya, Karakoram mountains and the Purvachal hills are together called dash. The answer is Northern mountains. Northern mountains. Himalaya, Karakoram mountains and Purvachal hills are together called the dash. Answer is North mountains. The second question: Mount Everest is the highest dash in the world. The Mount Everest is the highest dash in the world. The second question, Mount Everest is the highest dash in the world. Highest peak in the world. Answer is highest peak in the world. The third question, the first woman to climb the Himalaya was dash. The first woman to climb the Himalaya was dash. Answer is Bachendri Pal. All of you write the questions, fill in the blanks. The Himalaya, Karakoram mountains and Purvaja hills are together called the dash. Answer is Northern mountains. The second question, Mount Everest is the highest dash in the world. That is peak. Answer is peak. The third question, the first woman to climb the Himalaya was dash. Answer Bachendri Pal. Okay. The fourth question, all of you write it? Yes. The fourth question, the dash are also called the Himadri. The dash are also called the Himadri. Greater Himalaya. Answer is Greater Himalaya. The Greater Himalaya is also known as Himadri. The Middle Himalaya also known as Himachal. Then third outer Himalaya is also known as Shivalik. The dash are also called the Himadri. The answer is the Greater Himalaya. The Greater Himalaya are also called the Himadri. The fifth question, dash is the second highest peak in the world. Dash is the second highest peak in the world. The answer is Mount K2. Mount K2. Mount Edmund Austin. Mount Edmund Austin or Mount K2. Mount K2 is the second highest peak in the world. The first highest peak is Mount Everest. The second highest peak in the world, that is Mount K2, the full name Mount Edmund Austin. Okay, the last question, dash is the largest state in the northeast. Dash in the largest state in the northeast. Yes, I already telling in this today class. Yes, that is Arunachal Pradesh. Arunachal Pradesh is the largest state in the northeast part of India. Okay. All of you write the questions. There are 6 fill in the blanks questions I am writing on the board. Okay. The next class we will discuss other activities. Okay. Today wind up our class. Thank you.